Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. Rather good morning. It's 10 a.m. for you guys, and today it's yellow alert for Mumbai and Navi Mumbai.
Not for Australia.
Not for Australia. Yeah, India in all well done. India in every way is yellow alert. So let's talk about what happens if the match is washed out. According to the weather app, there's about 90 to 95% chances of rainfall, which means it's very likely to be going into the reserve day, where yesterday it was showing 0% precipitation. Before that it was showing 80% precipitation, and now it's 65% precipitation. So in short, there will be rain on both the days. I think there will be a result. I think there will be a match, but it will be a stop-start match where toss becomes extremely important, Snehashish.
Absolutely. When you are getting that much of delay in a particular game, I think then the toss becomes a very big factor. And as you mentioned, that there is a high chances over the 2 days also we can get rain here and there. And one thing for sure, that with every hour passing by, the chances of rain might changes. Sometimes it might say, okay, now it is not going to rain, and suddenly out of nowhere rain might happen. So very tricky 2 days, I will say, coming up for us, for the team. But as you mentioned, from all kind of direction, it is yellow alert for Team India.
Absolutely. The third part I did not think, but you were absolutely correct. Now let's also talk about the chance of what happens if there isn't a game of 20 overs on both the days.
Yes.
Also, before that, let's talk about the reserve day. It's a bit complicated, I would say, but again, so say for example, the game is reduced to 37 overs, and the team batting first, I was about to say India. I don't know why I have this feeling that India is going to bat first. I hope not, considering the rain. But anyway, getting back to the point, I think if whichever team bats first plays 37 overs, and then when the second team is batting, if there is rainfall and say 5 overs or 8 overs have been bowled, let's say 7 overs have been bowled, in the reserve day when the match goes, then only those remaining 30 overs will be bowled, and that kind of again gives helps the team batting second, because you have more clarity if you are batting second.
Yes.
I would hope for India's sake that India bats second, but I am getting this very bad feeling, and we'll not talk about bad feelings before this match. But there is also the other factor where both the days, if the match does not happen and is abandoned without both sides playing 20 overs, that's the bare minimum for a contest to be considered as a complete game, that both sides have to play 20 overs in this format. Exactly. I mean, in this format only that's possible. How in 20 overs, how can a rain-washed game be 20 overs?
You need then 6 overs.
Kaise hai? But anyway, getting back to the point, so what happens if both the days are washed out?
Then heartbreak for India. Australia will go through
the real yellow alert takes.
Yes, the Australia will directly go to the finals, because they finished above us in that points table. Actually, they finished above everyone.
And you know what that does? The yellow alert does not end in these 2 days.
Yes.
It is there for this entire week. So it is there for the final also. And whether it's England or it's South Africa that wins today, I mean tonight rather, they were below Australia in the points table. Everybody was below Australia in the points table. So there could be a case, and I hope it isn't, that Australia wins their 8th World Cup title without playing semis, without playing finals, just because they topped the group stage. And that is why it's significant. The group stage was significant. A lot of people have kind of trolled us, have told us, why are you giving so much importance to group games? Why are you criticizing my favorite so and so because of the group games? Because this is what happens. I hope it does not happen, because it was supposed to rain. Now it is not raining. So let's hope that rain does not spoil the entire game, but it will be definitely a stop-start game.
Absolutely, rain will definitely happen. because if you see the previous games here in Navi Mumbai, rain have interrupted those games.
Yeah.
So it is not like that rain will not happen at all. It will happen, stop, and games will be paused here and there. But what we want, that at least a match should happen, a result should come out. At least both teams should go out, play their cricket, and a definite result should come out. It is not like that nothing, no game happened, and eventually just because finishing above of India, Australia make it to the final. That shouldn't
Yeah,
happen.
don't say they finished just above India.
Yeah.
They were above India.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's hope that does not happen, because that takes away from the game. That takes away from the
Especially
huge
fans,
crowd.
yes.
Yeah, absolutely. The crowds have been terrific throughout and in all India matches. I know today somebody tweeted that there is no crowd in Guwahati. Of course, Indian fans did not gather for a England-South Africa match. I don't think even for England-South Africa men's match, a lot of people will gather, and especially ODIs. T20Is could
Maybe
be a
there is a
different
chance.
story. But it will be very, very different at Navi Mumbai. And in fact, I think tomorrow will be one of the biggest turnouts. If India plays the final, goes on to play the final, then I think that would be the best turnout anyway. But if India doesn't, so a lot of people will be turning up on the semis itself. Well, let's hope. Before winning the game, before anything happens, Harmanpreet Kaur wins the toss somehow.
And takes the right call.
Yes. No, I think anybody winning the toss will field here because of the.
Considering that rain might happen.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if
It's general.
please don't win the toss and bat first, please. It can't be. I'm sure it won't be. I mean, we saw Smriti seeing the pitch. Smriti, Jimmy are from Mumbai, so they would have that idea. Harman herself plays for Mumbai Indians, so I don't think that she will win the toss. Yeah, the tactical call will be wrong. So that's about it. Join us in 2 hours time, because we will be back with the preview of the game. It's the all-important game. Group stage is over. Everything said and done. The losses, the wins, everything changes in this one game. My heart is already racing. I hope your heart is racing. Do join us for the preview in a bit.
Thank you.